Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zapier's Formatter tool. Formatter is a powerful, built-in application that helps you clean and prepare your data as it moves through your automated workflows. Think of it as your personal data assistant, ensuring every piece of information is perfectly tailored for the next step. It works with 4 main categories: text, numbers, dates and times, and various utility functions, making your Zaps much more reliable and efficient. Let's dive into some common transformations. With text, you can effortlessly adjust capitalization, converting text to uppercase, lowercase, or title case. You can also split text, for example, separating a full name into a first and last name, which is incredibly useful for personalization. For numbers, Formatter allows you to apply currency formatting, specify decimal places, or standardize phone numbers. You can even perform simple math operations like adding 2 numbers or dividing a value by 3. Formatter also excels with date and time data. You can reformat dates into any style you need, from a simple month, day, year format to a detailed timestamp. Need to schedule a follow-up? Easily add or subtract days, hours, or months from an existing date. You can even compare 2 dates to find the duration between them, perhaps for tracking project timelines. Beyond these, utility functions offer advanced options like creating lookup tables or extracting specific data patterns. To get the most out of Formatter, always test your steps with sample data. This helps catch any formatting issues before they impact your live Zaps. When working with dates and numbers, explicitly define both the input and desired output formats for consistent results. It's often best to place Formatter steps early in your workflow to ensure clean data flows to subsequent actions. For advanced needs, remember you can use spreadsheet-style formulas for intricate calculations or data comparisons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.